How to start a voice call on Discord. Want to chat with your friends in a real time without typing a thing? Today I will show you how to start a voice call on Discord, whether it's one-on-one convo or full squad catch-up. Let's get talking. First things first, open Discord and go to your DMs. Launch the Discord app or log in at discord.com. Click the friends tab, smiley face icon or find the person you want to call. Now open the chat with your friend. Click their name to open your direct message with them. In the top right corner of the DM window, you will see a little phone icon. Click it and just like that, your voice call starts. Once they pick up, you are connected. Bonus tip, want to call in a group DM? Open a group DM, click the phone icon at the top. Everyone in the group will get a ring and whoever joins can chat together, no server needed. If you are in a server, just click on a voice channel and you will join instantly, no need to call. Perfect for gaming, study groups or hanging out. And that's how you start a voice call on Discord. Quick, easy and way more fun than typing. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.